fruit is synonymous with summertime? Watermelon. And today I'm going to show you my favorite way to make this delectable fruit. We're making watermelon gazpacho. It's super fresh, really restorative, a little bit of tangy, a little bit sweet. So let's get started. I've already got my watermelon diced up into a fine dice, and I've left a little bit of the watermelon aside, which I'm gonna add to my food processor with some lime juice, freshly squeezed. Squeeze it on in here. I think I'm gonna use about a lime and a half. If you like a lot of lime, you could always do 2 full limes. Then we'll just process it. This creates a really nice liquid base for our watermelon gazpacho. Watermelon is made up of 92% water, so it really quenches your whole body. Now I'm gonna add some peppers, 2 peppers, some finely diced onion, and then 2 finely diced cucumbers. This soup has tons of nutrients, including vitamins A, B, and C, potassium, antioxidants. It has such a vibrant color that it's really impressive to bring to potlucks, picnics. My mother can never remember the name of this, and she refers to it as strawberry guacamole, which we've dubbed a family joke. So this watermelon gazpacho is raw, vegan, gluten-free, oil-free, salt-free. It really is just fruits and veggies. So you can eat tons of it without the guilt. And the sweetness from the watermelon really appeals to kids and adults alike. Until next time, remember to be kind to all kinds.